Haters are just gonna hate. It's what they do. But I could still send them a message, and I did, by slapping one of these beauties on the back of my ride. You can get yours at the same place I got mine. Link in the description. Also, new merchandise to come in the future. Thanks, and remember, don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. What's going on, kings and queens? Gotta do something about that intro. Alright, so I used to have these LED pieces that went up that were on like stilts. I still got them. I just got tired of setting them up. I wanted something that was a little more options. So I just got these two old light adapters, and I stuck like these floodlights in them. And now they go down and they light up my YouTube studio here / bedroom. So anyways, I got some new lighting options I'm going to go through, and we're going to try them out. So we'll see how those go, okay? Okay, so I wound up going with these guys. MOE, whatever that is. And these here are supposed to be like a multicolor LED that have a remote control with them. So I'm going to go ahead and grab something that I can use to, as a, I guess you could say a couple things as a subject, and we can kind of see how the light changes them or whatever, okay? So I'll be right back. First I'll start with the regular floodlights that you saw in the first shot, and then I'll go ahead and we'll just switch them out and see what they look like, okay? Alright, so here's that initial, what do you want to call it, soft light that I'm using here that I bought from the hardware store. I'm really meant to get more of a wider light. It's been doing pretty good. I might switch it up a bit every so often, pop those out or whatever. I just got a couple little test items here to show you. I could have grabbed something else that was a little bit different, but that's what the watch looks like in it. Here's the knife. I just grabbed anything I could grab. I grabbed a couple of these. They're old, not old, but new copper rounds. I thought those look kind of interesting. Soft. It's a soft light with a copper tone. See how that turns up. Then I got a Morgan silver dollar. See how that looks under the light. Here's a peace dollar. It's a little bit of a golden color tarnish over the top. What else can I just grab from nearby? Let's grab my zoom recorder. I can use that. It's because of white. That'll make for a decent subject. There's nothing scientific about this. This is just me fooling with the lighting. So that's what that looks like. So I'll go ahead and pull that lighting, and I'll go ahead and show you what's coming up next. Next I got these guys. Spiral LED energy saving lamp. I'll open these up real quick and see what they look like. That's interesting. Look at that. It's like those spiral lights, but it's an LED array inside there. Okay, so I'll switch these out and we'll see how it looks. So I'll just show you real quick. This is the ambient light coming through the blinds that are closed. Okay, I'll go ahead and open the blinds up. This is what the regular sunlight looks like here. And these are the curly lights. Pretty nice. That's one on. It's two on. I'm not going to look directly at them because they look pretty bright. But yeah, let's have a look at these. These really light things up. There's the zoom recorder. Here's Morgan silver dollar. Here's the peace dollar. Here's the copper round. Here's the watch. And here's the Buck 110 Slim Pro. That lights things up pretty good, huh? It's going to be interesting to see what it looks like on an actual monitor. Alright, so I'm going to switch to the next ones, which are these color-coded, multicolor. They got a pack of 4 in here. Got that going on. So, got a warranty. Got 2 remote controls. That's pretty cool. So you can place them in different parts of the house. If I like these enough, I might actually switch them out and put them on my overhead light. But I'm going to go ahead and switch these out, put them into the I guess you can, what do you call them, sconces, and we'll see where it goes from there. Okay, so those others are pretty bright. These aren't as bright, but they look pretty good on the monitor. So here's the white zoom recorder. Here's the watch. Go back to the zoom recorder. So it focuses again. Here's the peace dollar. Here's the Morgan dollar. Here's the round, copper round. And here's the Buck 110 Slim Pro. Now let's go ahead and play a little bit with some of the remote control settings. Now where I can see these is maybe like on these on a lamp off to the side. Set these up for some background ambiance. Let's try red. Oh wait a minute, gotta pull the thing out over here. Okay, there's a little tab with a battery there. Oh, look at that. See? Green, blue, cool, huh? Let's look at that. Let's go through the whole thing here together. Is this some kind of dimming? Okay, so let's see what do we got here. Oh, we got, okay, let's go off. So you can turn them off but leave the power source on, I guess. So on. There's a timer. I don't know quite how those work. So I guess, does this cycle the whole, yeah, okay, that cycles the whole spectrum there. So I want to make like a futuristic look. I can put these just on the side of the blinds and make it look like there's signs across the street or something. So what's this? Now this is more of a this one here is more of a solid change. And this one right here is more of a gradual change. I think it's supposed to fade out into another one. It's supposed to fade out. Yeah, see it gradually fades out into a different color. You see, what's this? Okay, what's this here? What's this? Let's go back to white light. Oh, I see. There it is. See that? See? It fades. It goes down on dimness. It goes up on dimness. So actually, that's kind of bright. That actually brings a lot of brightness to it. That other set of curly Q ones, that's bright. That is real bright. I mean, but you can control brightness or whatever you want on that. So there's red. Let's go red, green, blue, other variants of red, green, and blue. So it's like a purple. Look at that. It's kind of cool, huh? All right, guys. So back to bright. Change it up. So just wanted to show you what I had going on for lighting here in the studio / bedroom. Go ahead and check it out and Yeah, these guys here, these guys are real bright right here. I'm going to try a combination real quick. Maybe I'll try a combination and see how these contrast against the multicolor. 1 second. So, okay, so here's the real bright one on. I have this big guy here on the left, and then I got this one over here on the right. So I'll go ahead and I'll contrast those. Let's see if this shows up any. Yeah, see? Yeah, you only see it like you can only see it reflecting off that knife blade. That's the only color choice you can get. It's kind of interesting too. You want to change the color of certain things that reflect, but yeah, you can just see the knife reflects your surface of the knife blade there. That's the only cue you really got that there's another color in here. Just a little quick experiment I wanted to try. I'll try one more real quick and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so now I got a blend. I got this one here on the right. I got the big guy here on the left. So it's a little bit of a combination of the two. You can kind of see a little bit of yellow coming in on this side and a little bit of white coming in on this side. But yeah, these really show up good. So, okay, well, give me some options here so I can go ahead and play around with settings and that system that I devised. I could take it down and put it up real quick so I can make a few videos and take it down. And I just basically got that set up from a I just had a piece of PVC pipe laying around and a pack of that pipe protector, and I got some zip ties and some paracord I already had laying around. I just put it back together, real quick and set it up. And I just figured, well, you know, I got lighting coming in on the picture and that's gonna be good to go. So all right, guys, so anyway, I just wanted to go ahead and run that by you, show you a couple things I came up with in the meantime to gussy things up a little bit. And hey, don't let the haters hate on your lighting, okay? You know, I mean, I know what's right for me as far as lighting and what I can and can't see. So don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you. See you on the next one, folks.